Hello, this is Carlos. This is a power-up demonstration for a HImax HC2212 1180 brushless motor outrunner from HImax. And this is approximately just a hair over 1 ounce without the mounting ring, as you can see, since the mounting ring is for the stick mount. And this is the perfect ideal power setup for the GWS Grand Wing Servo GWS Pico Tiger Moth, which is the same weight category as the IPS brush gearbox system that usually comes in the full kit of the Pico Tiger Moth. I got this set up here for my buddy to let him know that I soldered everything correctly for his Tiger Moth, since he had a power system that was just way over high kV. I think it was like 1400 or 1600 kV, and it just required just too small of a propeller. With this one, it could swing an 8.6 GWS prop all day long, and at half throttle it's probably not even 3.5 amps. At wide open it was probably 4.5. And this one is a Turnigy Plush 10 amp ESC, very robust BEC is internal as well. And he's going to fly with a smaller form factor 800 milliamp hour. This one is a brand new one from Tower, but it's a little too long for his opening. My Tiger Moth will fit that battery. This is just a standard Spectrum AR400 4-channel with the amplified whip antenna and the smaller antenna for redundancy. So right now it's in the bind mode, but I already binded, and here we go. Here's the run up. See that very soft start? You can hardly hear that motor. That's half throttle. Yep. Very smooth. Very smooth. So there you have it, guys. And Jerry will get this, assuming his post-maiden flight of that other power system, which was too high of a kV and that required too small of a propeller, is probably defective and got that magic electronic magic dust out from it. So if it's stressed out, he will get this new power system, and I'm sure this will be for keeps for as long as he owns that model. Okay, Carlos out, and have a nice day, guys. Bye.